Here are the materials you need to make your windsock. Either ribbon or yarn or even something else that's flowy. You need glue, a toilet paper tube and paper, or a cup. And then for both versions, you need tape and scissors. Let's get started. You have two choices for the body of your windsock today. You could use a cup and decorate it with Sharpies, or you could use a toilet paper tube and cover it with paper. If you're using a cup, go ahead and ask a grown-up to poke a hole in it. Then the grown-up can put some yarn in the hole and tie a knot on the inside. If you're using a toilet paper tube, you'll need paper that is 7 inches by 5 inches. Go ahead and decorate it however you'd like. For the bottom of your windsock, you'll use either yarn or ribbon. Please use either one or the other. Cut 10 pieces of your material and then attach it to some tape. If you want it to be extra secure, you can knot the top. Stick the tape to the inside of your toilet paper tube or cup. Press really hard. If you're using a toilet paper tube, glue on your piece of paper. You may need to put a little piece of tape to make it extra secure. Now cut a little piece of ribbon or yarn and tape it to the inside of your toilet paper tube. Do it on both sides. Hang your windsock in a window where you can watch it all day. What changes do you see? How much wind is blowing at different times during the day? Now you're going to check on your windsock throughout the day. You may check it every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, or every hour, whatever works best for you. We're going to make a table to document our information, to store it for ourselves, and to share it with other people. So first, get a piece of paper and draw a line down the middle. Then, you're going to write different things on each side. This side says time. This is where you're going to put the time that you checked the windsock. The other side says how many strings moved. This is where you're going to check how many of the strings are moving in the wind to show how windy it is outside. Draw a line across the bottom. Now you're ready to check the windsock. Write down the time. You can ask a grown-up for some help. In our example, it's 9 o'clock. Now I'm going to check my windsock, and it looked like there were 4 strings moving. Sometimes it can be a little unclear, so take your time. Now it's 10 o'clock. I'm checking my windsock again, and I saw 10 strings move. The whole thing was moving. It's 11 o'clock now, and I check it for a little while, and I decide I only see 2 strings moving. Last time, I'm going to check it at 12 o'clock. And this time, I saw 3 strings moving. It was a little windier than it was last time. Now it's your turn. Your teacher can't wait to see how windy it was at your house from your data or information you put in your table.